everybody, this is Dipti sir, and today I am going to share with you some of the success mantras. In whatever profession of your life you may be, you desperately want success. So, what is the formula? What is the secret of getting success? Now, let's know. First thing is controlling thoughts. You should control your thoughts. You should not allow whatever thoughts comes to your mind. If some negative thoughts is coming to your mind, you should be the master of your mind. You should control those thoughts. You should always allow positive thoughts. Next is knowing what you want. We want a lot, but what we really want, we don't know. We should be exactly knowing what we really want. Third thing is open-mindedness and flexibility. We should be very flexible in our thought. We should be broad-minded. There should not be any stringency in accepting something good. Then there should be sufficient imagination. Whatever great things have happened in the world, that may be one of the greatest scientific discoveries or inventions. That may be one of the greatest writings of a great literature or a masterpiece of art. That is out of imagination. So always have room in your mind for imagination. In Odia that we call kalpana. So always have room for imagination. Next, believe in yourself. This is the other name of self-confidence. So if you have no self-confidence, if you don't believe in yourself, how can you get success in your life? If people around you should be very careful about negative people around you. They would be telling you can't do. That's the way they are showing their limitations. Means they think that work they cannot do. Why do you think that you can do? Who are they to say you? Be very specific in your dreams and you can achieve everything what you can conceive in your mind. Then a not to die spirit. Again, it is something that your attitude is such that it is not harassed by anybody. It is not getting easily humiliated by anybody. You have such a system in your mind that you will inspire yourself. You will boost yourself from inside. Then concentration of effort. Whatever effort you are giving in your life, that should be dedicated. That should be organized. That should be systematic, focused, concentrated. Lot of people put effort, but that effort is not concentrated. So if I am not putting concentrated effort, that would not happen. I am giving you an example. When you are taking some work, if you are not focused to that work, then you achieve something, but you don't achieve the greatest thing what you have imagined at the start of the work. So have concentration, have focus always. Then self-discipline. Self-discipline is the best way. You have to mastermind to be very disciplined. Next thing is organized planning. Your plan should be very systematic. Your plan should be very organized. Next thing is, students, optimism. It is getting rid of pessimistic thought. It is getting rid of pessimistic circumstances. It is getting rid of pessimistic people. Always have your bond, your connection with optimistic people. Here I want to say something. Nowadays in the world you will find a lot of people who are really pessimistic, but they pretend to be optimistic. At times, they never motivate you, but they flatter you, and you don't misjudge flattering and motivation. That is a clear difference between flattering and motivation. Be aware of those fraud friends. Understand? So believe in motivation, inspiration. These things are very good things in our life. So you should be very careful regarding these things and have connection with those people who inspire you, who motivate you, okay, to go ahead in life. And such incidents, such circumstances are good for you always to improve. Okay. Next is respect the eternal laws, the laws of nature. Good things will be always rewarded. If you go to Bhagavad Gita, the same thing has been there. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहं परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. If you go to that concept, you can understand the concept of karma. Good things are always going to be rewarded sooner or later. From Bhagavad Gita, you know that karmanye badhika raste ma phalesu kadachana. So you should be first. This is the best inspirational thing. Means you should be your process oriented. You should be action oriented. Don't be result oriented. Follow the right path. The right result will automatically. It is bound to come. Success will run behind you. You will not run behind success. Okay. The next thing is willpower, desire, persistence, and habit. Make success as a habit. Your willpower, your desire. There should be consistency. Persistence means continuity. Whatever you are doing, perseverance should be there. Next is accumulated experience. We are all dynamic people and we are evolving with the passage of time. So don't be stagnated. Don't think yourself stationary or stagnant or lethargic. We are all energetic beings. So whatever experience we are getting in our life, we are accumulating in our life, that is one of the best teacher. So always use your experience. That is one of the best teacher of your life. Then experiment and research. Never fear to failure. Swami Vivekananda has told, don't fear to fail, but don't fail in the same thing twice. Understood? Then coordination of knowledge and effort. So if you have knowledge and if you are putting effort, there should be a coordination between the two. Then have positive emotions. Have positive emotions. What are the positive emotions? Desire, faith, love, enthusiasm, romance, hope. This type of things are very positive. They will boost your spirit. What are they? Desire, faith, love, enthusiasm, romance, and hope. Then there are some negative emotions. So get rid of those negative emotions. What are the negative emotions? There are 7 negative emotions. First is fear. Don't fear. Be very brave. Second is jealousy. This is a very wrong thing. Third thing, hatred. Fourth thing, revenge, retaliation. This is a very bad thing. Okay? No revenge is the best revenge. Go on your work, go on doing your work. Time will take its own course of action. Greed, very bad. Superstition, you should be scientific in your belief. Then anger. So these are the 7 negative emotions. You have to get rid of those things at any cost. Next is the ladder of success is never crowded at the top. Don't think that I have to fight with a lot of people. No, I have to compete with a lot of people to get success in life. No, the ladder of success is never crowded at the top. So at the top, that is not crowded. And a time will come, you have to you should know that you are improving yourself. You are not competing with anybody. Okay, we are all unique creations of the Almighty. And hope if you like my motivational video. Earlier I have some motivational videos for parents, teachers and students, and I go on making videos from standard 6 to standard 12 students based on different subjects for Odia medium and English medium students, and also some videos will help you to develop a good thought in your life and to develop the competitive spirit inside you. And if you really like my video, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will help me and that will motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you all for watching this.